Theater and film. Musta ang experience nyo as you shift from theater to film, and what was the biggest adjustment that you had to make?
I feel late na nag-shift from theater to film and TV. I'm still learning. I'm happy to be able to experience both.
Right.
I'm glad na meron akong nilagay na thought in my mind na pag teatro lang ako, ito talaga yung ginagawa ko. And hindi ako pupunta sa film or it's a different world. Buti na lang na-break ko yon
Right.
because every medium, every platform makes you a better actor. There's so much more to learn.
Naalala ko nga noong 2016 when I did Die Beautiful, yun yung number one note sa akin ni Direk Jun Lana na kailangan mas concise, kailangan mas nasa muka yung mga ginagawa mo, and magkakaiba pa kasi mga angulo. So, kailangan namin as an actor, somehow i-navigate yung emotion namin. Depende sa lente na gagamitin din, sa frame na gagawin din. Pag sa theater kasi, one whole go na yun. Nag-rehearse kami ng 2 months for that or 1 month for that. Pero sa film kasi, every sequences, every scene, para kaming nakikipagdigmaan sa camera and at the same time sa technicalities.
Hindi rin ba digmaan sa harap ng audience kapag sa theater?
Oo naman, digmaan siya. Pero